In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change game resolution on Steam. If a game keeps launching at the wrong size or you want to force a specific resolution, Steam's launch options make this quick and reliable. We'll use a simple command to tell the game exactly what width and height to use when it starts. Begin by opening the Steam client on your computer and heading to your library. You'll see your list of games on the left. Find the game you want to adjust, then right-click it and choose Properties. This opens a window with several sections, and you'll land on the General tab by default. At the bottom of this tab, look for the Launch Options field. This is where you can pass commands to the game every time it starts. In that box, type a command like W1920H1080. Replace 1920 and 1080 with the exact resolution you want. The first number is the width in pixels, and the second is the height. For example, if your monitor's native resolution is 2560 by 1440, you'd enter W2560H1440. Make sure you include the dashes before W and H, leave a space between each part, and don't add commas or extra symbols. A quick tip on choosing numbers: using your display's native resolution usually gives you the sharpest image and correct aspect ratio. If you're not sure what that is, you can check your system's display settings to see the recommended resolution. If you prefer a lower resolution for performance, pick one that matches your monitor's aspect ratio to avoid stretching or black bars. Once you've entered the command, you don't need to click anything else in that window. Just close the Properties panel, and you're set. Now launch the game as you normally would. The resolution you specified will apply when the game starts. If the image looks right, you're done. If you want to go back to default behavior later, simply return to Properties and clear the Launch Options field. Keep in mind, most games honor these commands, but behavior can vary by title. If the resolution doesn't change, start the game once and then check its in-game display settings. Some titles may override launch options or require full screen mode to match the resolution. You can also try relaunching Steam after setting the option if it didn't take effect immediately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.